shocked woman shows off the 20 men she has slept in her life. A woman has left everyone shocked after she shared pictures of all the men that she has poked in her life. Although she left everyone jaws on the floor, some commended her for her bravery, saying she has every right to show it off. The unknown lady took to Facebook to share the pictures of the men with captions detailing where she met each one of them, as well as a story of how they met. So far she has at least shared pictures of 20 men, including the one she met in Ghana. She described him as an attentive and sweet person. She went on to post another one whom she met in Benin and said the man took her to a voodoo festival. I later found out that he owns a house and won me over in African bravado, snacks, and Oreos. I was like his little puppy. I just followed him everywhere, quote, said the lady. She also went as far as posting the man who funded the trips that she has been on. Meet Mickey, I'm just playing, or maybe I'm not, we'll never know, quote, she said. There are 16 more men with their own captions. On Facebook, people are shocked. Miranda Hanges commented and said, I am left thinking and wondering without a comment. All I can say is she needs deliverance, sex, in as much as it is physical, it is emotional and spiritual. I can imagine all those spiritual connections. While Natasha shared that she experienced some pain as she was reading this. I don't know why, but my new just hurt after viewing all those men with one woman, quote, said Natasha. While said Anthony Chonda said, no man can satisfy this woman cause she had a different taste. Hence she will keep comparing and thinking of other men when you are doing it. Quote,